XRP Army, what's going on? Welcome back here to the channel. Listen, guys, I'm going to give you guys the breakdown on what's going to happen next with XRP, some of the things we're looking at, and it's not all doom and gloom, guys. This is a major crypto pullback across the board. We've seen things happen like this in the past, but I'm not going to lie. I mean, this definitely sucks. Like, this is not what we want to see happen, but I also think XRP is super well positioned given what we know what's coming. And I'm going to give you guys all that insight, all these great details, give you guys things to look forward to as we get through these rough times as we end February here, 2025. Rolling into March, we do have a lot of things to consider. So go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And check out all the links down below in the description if you want to use my trading indicator, XT Algo. It will help you maximize your crypto gains. It's only for serious investors, though. And we've got BTCC, our preferred exchange, along with BITUNIX down there if you want to trade with me. There are a couple links down there as well. You guys can see I already have the chart pulled up. We're sitting here at 214. We're on the weekly chart. And when you zoom out a little bit and take a look at the weekly, it's not as bad as one may think, right? We're sitting here at 214, guys. Not that long ago, we were at 55 cents. That's the last time I bought XRP. Was 55 cents. And I'm continuing to hold my position because I think this is just short-term volatility, market manipulation, kind of a reset in the markets. We've been talking about this for weeks, but I really want to get into what's next with XRP, right? And get you guys excited about what's on the horizon, some of the things that are being discussed. So XRP whales accumulate selling pressure from short-term holders. So what's happening right now are the whales are actually buying up the dip. Smart money's actually buying. XRP whales have been accumulating more tokens during the crash, adding over 1 billion worth of tokens. This is a good sign. There is still money flowing into the ecosystem, but it's being combated with, or it's fighting against the retail money who's getting shaken out of the market, who's getting afraid. Now, it says XRP could bounce off the lower boundary of a descending channel if it fails to hold the 196 support level. So far, though, it's held up really, really nicely there. But XRP whales are soaking up short-term holders' sales, right? Short-term holders are selling. They're taking a little bit off the table. Whales are buying up the dip, guys. And it's very easy to see when we take a look at on-chain data. Whales are considered anybody holding 1 million to 10 million XRP. They've increased their collective holdings by 440 million XRP, again, worth nearly $1 billion. So smart money is buying. That's the first point that I really wanted to make here. And there's a lot of other things to kind of consider here as well. If we scroll on down here, we've got a lot of people talking about, if I go see more here, the stablecoin, which I want to get to that. Which is right here. Ripple emits 9.1 million RLUSD in the past 24 hours. Long break is over. Data released by Ripple stablecoin tracker shows that there have been 3 large mints made by the Ripple treasury. They were all spotted on the last day of a more than 2-week break. So, and again, these are all newly minted RLUSD. This is a huge part of XRP's future because we're going into the era of tokenization. It's one of the reasons why I'm looking at assets like Ondo, Chainlink, and XRP. These 3 are some of my favorites because they fit that mold in the future of RWA. That's something a lot of people don't realize that Ripple is very, very much at the forefront on. Now, a lot of people coming out with bearish price targets, but again, we're watching that 196 level. As long as we stay above that, that's a big deal. Now, Ripple will also unlock 1 billion XRP tomorrow. This is on March 1st, Saturday. Ripple will unlock 1 billion XRP that has not been in circulation. The unlock has a nominal value of around 2 billion at current prices. Could create, they're saying, significant selling pressure. I don't think this is going to create a ton of selling pressure. Again, as long as we hold that 196 here short term, I'm going to be pretty confident in Ripple's price and pretty confident in accumulating at these levels. So that was some other news I just wanted to bring your attention. Just keep that on your radar for tomorrow. And then the lawsuit, right? XRP lawsuit. Lawyer reveals crucial dates for the Ripple versus SEC case settlement. Now, things can definitely change. Somebody can step in here. But Jeremy Hogan has given 3 possible dates for the conclusion or the ending of the XRP lawsuit. By the way, if you haven't hit that like button, guys, we give you guys a ton of information. It's totally free to subscribe to the channel. We're here every single day for you, rocking and rolling with you, grinding through the good and the bad. But Jeremy Hogan outlined a couple different key dates, okay? And there's 3 likely outcomes for Ripple versus SEC case. And we could see an affirmation, a cross appeal settlement, and a reversal of Judge Torres's decision. So those are all, take that for what you will. But if we scroll back up here, Jeremy Hogan said Ripple's still a more complicated case to resolve because of the judgment, stated Hogan, highlighting the higher possibility in the Ripple's case delay, because we're seeing the SEC close cases with all these other big companies like Coinbase, Robinhood, Consensus, Uniswap. Hogan identified 3 key dates: March 14th, April 11th, and May 1st as potential milestones for the settlement of the XRP lawsuit. According to Hogan, the Ripple versus SEC case may be settled on one of these 3 crucial dates. Significantly, it says here again, the SEC has been making revolutionary moves over the past few days. This is a whole changing of the guard at the SEC for the better, I may add. They are closing cases against, these are high-profile cases against Coinbase, Robinhood, OpenSea, Uniswap, now Consensus. They've all been closed by the restructured SEC under Trump. And everybody's wondering, well, what about Ripple? What about XRP? This one's a little bit different because of the nature of it. It's one massive company, not like a, like Coinbase, Robinhood exchange. This is a little different because I think it's going to set a precedent moving forward. And that's why I think this is taking a little bit longer. But Judge Torres's ruling and the $125 million penalty remain significant obstacles to an earlier resolution as well. But I am still super optimistic that this case will get done at some point here in 2025. Former official John Reed Stark has leveled criticism against these moves. Stark believes that these regulatory reforms are a harbinger of the agency's downfall rather than a positive development. But I'm very confident it's going to end, guys. And when it does, this is going to be a catalyst. We're going to see ETFs, I think, come to the fold. We're going to see real adoption take place with the big banks when regulation and all of that is ironed out in the United States. And the big thing that I'm waiting for is the RWA sector. And Ripple wants to do tokenization as a service. We've been talking about this for weeks and months. So we'll be keeping tabs on all of this stuff for you guys. We'll give you guys the latest updates and information right here on the channel. Make sure you are locked in and subscribed. And again, I mentioned it earlier on in the video, XT Algo, my trading indicator. If you're a serious trader and want to level up your game, guys, it's like a little over $1 a day gets you started. 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning you could try this risk-free today. Get it now ahead of this massive bull run that's coming. Appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.